welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something that is so requested from you guys, and you guys over on Instagram. Whenever I mention that I'm fake tanning or show that I fake tanned, I get so many requests for a video all about my tanning routine. Naturally, I have very fair skin, so I have tried a lot of tans, and I'm using one at the moment that I'm absolutely in love with, and I thought this is the perfect time to do this video and show you actually how I tan and give you some tips and tricks as well, especially on the hands, because it has taken me a good 15 years, I would say, to master tanning my hands. It is a hard thing to tan, that is for sure, and there's two of them. So the tan I'm using at the moment is this one by Bondi Sands. This is the Aero Tan, and I am absolutely loving this. I'm working with Bondi Sands on this video. I have so many tans of theirs in my wardrobe. If you watch my wardrobe tour, you might have seen those in one of the drawers that I've got. I love the brand, and this tan is amazing, and I really like it. This is a really good tan for those of you like me that are slightly more fair skinned and want more of a sun-kissed glow. It's also good for beginners out there because it's completely streak free, and also I find because the mousse has a colour, you can see where you're putting it, so you're not going to go and miss a section of your leg because you're going to be able to see it. And it has a really lovely coconut scent as well, so you don't smell like biscuit all day, which is great. You smell like a nice fresh coconut walking around. This tan is also enriched with vitamin E and jojoba oils to make sure your skin is super hydrated, which also makes a tan last longer as well. So I always use a tanning mitt when it comes to tanning. You can get a bigger surface area covered, but also it helps to blend. You do not want to use your hand without anything on it because you will get a very tanned palm, and that's not good. So before you tan, you want to exfoliate and moisturize at least 24 hours before, but I would also say if you do want to shave your legs and your pits, then maybe do that then as well. This will stop the tan kind of getting into the pores of your skin and creating kind of like a polka dot effect. So I start tanning from the bottom upwards. So I start with my legs and I work my way up to my head. When it comes to your ankles and your feet, as you can see, I'm just lightly dusting the mitt over this area. On my legs, I just gently brush the mitt up and make sure every area is covered. For any areas that I do need to blend a little bit more so, especially on my thighs, I will use circular motions, and this helps to blend in the tan really well. My hands take to tan really well, which always means they're darker than the rest of my body. So I have learned with the mitt to not apply any more tan, just use what's soaked into the mitt and gently brush this over my hands, going in between every finger very gently just to make sure there's no white bits in there. And this really helps, just being really gentle, really light. Don't scrub because you would end up with really tanned hands, and that's not what we're after. My back is always a problem, so as you can see, I have roped in the help of my husband to get to those bits that I couldn't reach. I do have double jointed arms, but this was tricky. Some people don't fake tan their face, they're happy to kind of match the tan with makeup. However, I've never had a problem with fake tanning my face. My skin kind of reacts really well to it. So I do apply this tan very lightly to my face just to give me a bit of a glow. So I do apply this very lightly to my face, but make sure you go in your hairline because you don't want a white strip around your head, and also behind your ears as well. So I left it on for 6 hours. It's incredibly quick drying. I feel like it was literally dry by the time I put it on and blended it in, which is really good. hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a nice big thumbs up. Of course, I hope you enjoyed hearing a little bit more about the Bondi Sands Aero Tan. You can pick this up in Superdrug if you're interested as well. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to any of you girls out there that are looking to fake tan yourselves. I feel like it's just as important in winter because, especially with jumpers like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you again very soon for another video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will leave the links to everything in this video, including the tan and the mitt, down below in the description box. So check that out, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!